Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy.
If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel. You can find a link below to join us on Discord.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 131 different strategies, with 45 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex strategy with the Z-score probability indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're looking at a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says that this is the most accurate buy-sell signal indicator on TradingView with 100% profitable day trading strategy. So, of course, we know that no strategy, no indicator is going to be 100% profitable at some point in time. It's going to take a loss. And so right off, the claim is a little bit suspicious, but we'll go ahead and test this claim anyways, test this strategy. Let's go ahead and turn off these indicators here. So the first indicator we're going to add to the screen is going to be the SSL channel. It's this one right here by Miss Tricky. And so you'll add that to the screen and it will look like this right here. Now we'll keep this on the default settings. The channel's pretty easy to understand. Basically, when price is trading above it or when the channel itself is green, then we are in an uptrend. When the price is trading below it or the channel is red, then we are supposedly in a downtrend. The next indicator we are going to add to the screen is going to be the NSDT hammer candles, this one right here. And so you'll add that one to the screen and it will look like this right here. So basically kind of a heat map for the candles. Kind of tells you when we are green, we have an uptrend taking place. When the candles are red, when you see a lot of red, then we are in a downtrend. And then it has these candles right here as well, which we won't really use in this particular strategy. Now, you'll go into the settings and you will change this MA line length right here to 100 and hit OK. Then the last indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the stochastic momentum index. And so it's actually going to be this one down here by Andre-007. So this one here, and that will look like this right here. And again, we'll leave this one on the default settings. We're not going to change anything on that. So what we're looking for is the hammer candles and the SSL channel to give us the overall trend direction. Again, just like I said a moment ago. And so when both of those are green or price is above the SSL channel, then we are looking for only long trades. When they are below and red, then we're only looking for short trades. Then what we're looking for is a price action pullback and continuation in that direction. And so in this case, we have green on the hammer candles and the SSL channel. And so we're looking for a long trade. We get a pullback here and it's identified by the stochastic momentum index as it pulls back to the lower side of its channel here, giving us this red background. Then lastly, what we're looking for is the green dot right here, which is a buy signal from the stochastic momentum index. And that gives us all the signals that we need to then enter a long. We're going to set our stop right at the hammer candle trend line right here. And we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward, see what we get. Alright, so you see it takes a little bit there, but we eventually climb our way up, hitting our take profit. Let's go ahead and look at a short trade now. Alright, and so as I mentioned, for the short trade, what we are looking for is all the indicators here on the top side to be red, and so the hammer candles and the SSL channel. As you can see, that's all displaying red there. And then what we're looking for is the pullback and continuation, and again identified by the stochastic momentum index. We get the pullback, and this time we get the blue background right here, and finally a red dot right there telling us that we are now entering a sell position. So there, and we're going to put our stop right here at the hammer candle moving average. And again, we are going to target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, so you see there that we get a correction here in price. It comes up, starts touching the hammer candle moving average there, getting real close to our stop, but never triggers it before we then roll over and make the push to the downside here, once again getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 23 winning trades and 27 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 46% win rate with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward. On the winning side, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, in total you would have gained $13,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400, which means that you would have lost $10,800 for a total gain of $3,000 altogether in about a month worth of trading. And so not horrible, but also not great. And in my opinion, it's hard to take that many losses and still kind of mentally stay in the game. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex Strategy, which I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We did 48 trades during that same period of time. We had 42 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting us at an 86% win rate. Now on the winning side, we're also looking to gain that same $600, so that means that we would have had a total gain of $25,200. On the losing side, we would have been risking $780 per trade, I think it is, which means that we would have lost $4,680 for a total gain of $20,520 within that same month. So again, the risk reward is a little bit offset, so you're risking a little bit more than you would be gaining with the Academy of Forex Strategy. But you can see that the win rate keeps you in a lot of really good trades and really profitable trading altogether, and more importantly keeps your psychological trading game kind of in check. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex Strategy, you can get a free trial when you join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll be sent the information on how to access the free trial, and then after that it is only $15 a month to maintain access to the Academy of Forex indicator, and you still have to maintain your Patreon status as well. So super cheap for a really profitable, reliable strategy. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly trades. And so for those of you who don't know, what we're doing is we are tracking the signals on these particular Forex pairs and this one crypto coin every single week on the 30-minute time frame, and then we are keeping track of those. I haven't done it for this week yet. I'll actually be doing the video today and posting it. But for last week on the Forex pairs, we had 8 trades, 8 winning trades, a 100% win rate. We had a total gain of $4,800. Again, looking to gain that $600 per trade. On the crypto coin, we had 1 trade, 1 winning trade, a 100% win rate as well, with a gain of $600 there. Total gain would have been $5,400 for that week, and for 2 weeks now, the total gain would have been $9,420. And so, not too bad for just a couple weeks worth of trading and a small handful of trades each week. And so, again, very profitable strategy. So that's it for this strategy here. I think I'll go ahead and put this one on the yes list because I do believe there is some validity behind it. $3,000 in a month, not too horrible. And so that's it for this one. Like I said, we'll put it on the yes list and we'll move on to the next video from here.